My greetings go to all the great alutas, all the great able young youths who believe in political struggle, who believe to get power for the masses through political means, because actually it's the only means to get the power to the masses. You understand? But as we all know, power can never be given. Power can never be relinquished. You acquire it either by hook or by crook. You understand? But you have to take it easy, you know. You have to be a responsible and law-abiding citizen. That is how it goes. So, what I'm trying to talk about is about our predecessors, people that are leaving office for us to acquire, how they do their own politics. As we all know, Nigerian brand of politics has been bastardized, and it's not duly played the way it should be. You understand? So we should not play the politics the way our fathers have done. You understand? Their footsteps are not worthy to be emulated. You understand? In fact, they have no legacy. They have no legacy for us. All they do is to siphon our funds from one nation to the other. Once they got themselves in the office through political thuggery means, through illegal spending of money during the election, through killings of people during the election, once they get the office, the next thing they do is that they siphon our funds, because most times they have settled most of us in the polling unit with the aid of 500 naira. All those things are not obtainable in the Western world. Look at the story we are hearing here and there. Abacha's loot, the recovering of Abacha's loot is not stopping. You understand? The money is too much. Okay, recently now they're about to they have signed a trilateral agreement with Nigeria to release $380 million. Not talking about those ones they have released before, both Swiss account and all that. So we have actually been misled by our fathers, our predecessors. You understand? We lost the way through them. So now we should actually learn to find the way, since we have lost it. Since a person that lost his way must seek a way to make his way a proper way. You understand? And my able young youth, I want to let you know that where you sit, where you will sit when you are old, you understand, tells where you stood in your youth. You understand? And we are going to change the brand of politics being played in Nigeria. You understand? Because politicians here, what they do is this: the people love them. People love politicians. People love a candidate, but the candidate doesn't love them. So we are going to change the system whereby the candidate will love the people who may not necessarily love him or her. You understand? And by so doing, you see that we shall work passionately for the people we love. Once you don't love the person loves you and votes you in, you sideline the person instantly, and that is what the politicians of today does. So my fellow commoners, my fellow citizens, I urge you to persevere. No matter how long the night is, the day must surely come. You understand? And